So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you.
Hello and welcome to another video of Power BI Masterclass series. In this video, you're gonna find out the solution that how we can remove the any filters which is applied on the on the visuals. So first of all, let's create a visual. What I'll do, I'll go to this orders table and select the category, and also I want the total sales. So we have total sales here. So I'll select this tone chart. So let's increase the size, and also let's create another visual. Let's say yeah, this. And what I want this customer company. There we have customer name, and let's say total profit. Yes. Let's change this theme. So what I'll do, I go to this home tab and go to this view, and here I'll select the by default view. This is innovative. You can you can browse your if you have your theme, you can browse from these themes and select your theme. For now I'll select this innovate. So we have these themes, and what I'll do, I'll add the slicers. So I'll add the year slicer where we have it is in the dates table. So dates table date, what do I want, choose date hierarchy, and this I want just year, and let's format it, and let's say it is a drop down. No, let's say it is a tile. So, yes, let's format this. Let's increase this values, say 15. Yeah, let's make it bold. Now let's remove this slicer header. Now we have this ear slicer, and also I'll add another slicer called region slicer. um, where we have region, this is, and also I'll format this to same. I'll select this and go to this home tab and select copy painter, format painter, and paste it here. So let's adjust this. Yeah. Now the scenario is you have this report, and someone filters this, and you want to revert these filters. So how you can do this? So for that we have a bookmarks. So what this bookmark means, it creates a view, and that you can revert back to that view by just clicking one click. So what I'll do, I'll go to this view tab and select the bookmark, and I'll click add bookmark, and I'll rename this as remove filters. Remove filters, and I'll hit enter. And to take the snapshot of this, I'll right click and select update. Now what I'll do, I'll go to this home tab. I'm sorry, I'll go to this insert tab and select the buttons and select this reset button. What I'll do, I'll just to make sure this will be fitted in here. Yeah, let's increase the size. Yes. Now what I'll do, I'll click on action, and here under the tab I'll select the bookmark, and from this bookmark I'll select the remove filters, and now I'll hit enter. I'll remove this bookmark and also this. No, what I'll do, let's filter this visual. So I'll select 2020, 2019, and the America sales. So we have this. So it is filtered. Now I'll revert back to this original position by just clicking here. Control by clicking here. So it is revert back to this original position. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.